The process starts by peeling, deveining and sorting the prawns. As they're prepared, each is checked for freshness and quality. The 30 people working at this station can peel 10,000 prawns an hour. The dumpling dough is made by pouring all-purpose flour into a mixing bowl. Water is then added at a ratio of 2 parts flour to 1 part water. It's just these 2 ingredients that are then mixed to make the dough. Periodically, the machine is stopped to test the dough for consistency. This batch requires more mixing. The dough is tested again, and this time it's ready, soft and still elastic, for the next step. To strengthen the dough structure, it's folded and then rolled into lengths. At the next station, small pieces are ripped off the rolls. Each piece is weighed to ensure it's 8 grams. The pieces are then collected, stood on one end, and flattened using the palm of a hand. The round discs are then sprinkled with flour so that they don't stick when moved to the next part of the process. The next phase involves using traditional cooking tools to transform each disc into a wrapper for a dumpling known as a shao mai. The employees wear protective clothing to prevent contamination. In-house quality control inspectors test the airborne bacterial levels in the factory every month to ensure that it meets the required standards. Good to know. Creating the dumpling wrapper requires a level of skill, and it takes 3 months of training to achieve it. While rotating the wrapper with one hand, the other rolls the dough to produce the required wafer-thin shape and consistency, and all done at speed. To crimp the edges of the wrapping, a different type of rolling pin is used. The meat and prawn filling is scooped up and placed in each wrapper before being weighed to ensure they contain the correct amount of filling. Each dumpling will be eventually topped off with a prawn. Inserting the prawn is another step that doesn't come easy and requires hours of training to accomplish the task at speed, especially as quick as this. Dumplings can come in all shapes and sizes. Here, a delicacy in the shape of a half moon is being made, and that's the only difference, as the filling and wrapper are identical to those just seen. But they're sealed in a different way, using a crimping technique, pinching small creases along the join of the dough. Once finished, 88 of the dumplings are then placed in a pan. This factory can make a variety of flavors and shapes of dumplings, some of which are steamed.